Okay guys, so this is going to be the existing furnace that we're looking at in the existing HVAC system. You're 17.5 width by this guy. It's not the standard manufactured home rated furnace where it's usually about 20 inches wide. You don't even have that amount of room with this door being built onto that. So we need to find something, if they end up replacing the furnace, comparable to this, which I'll take care of that. We are mainly looking at adding air conditioning to this home. And this is a downflow system. You don't have a ton of space down here by the actual system itself. You have 17.5 by just about 14.5 from the very bottom where the carpet's at to the top of the furnace. You probably have about 15 once we actually get to this ductwork section. You also have this gas line that's right in front of it, which we'll need to go ahead and take off, remove, and disassemble this guy a bit so we can actually get in here and put that coil in. We're going to want to go ahead and run 2 pieces of line set that'll be drilled down through here, as well as the the condensation line for the air conditioning system. We're going to run that with it and just run it directly outside so there's no issues with freezing or whatnot in those winter months when the AC isn't running. So that's going to be the major thing that we're looking at doing right here. The furnace is a 90%. You can see where the gas line is running right here from flex to hard pipe into this guy, and it's an 80,000 BTU furnace with a 3-ton fan. You have 2-inch PVC up here and 2-inch PVC up here for the exhaust and the fresh air coming into this guy, with a 60 by 20 by 1 filter axis and assembly right up here. Overall, we're looking just to do the AC. If we ended up doing the furnace too, it'll be really easy and accessible because this guy will already be taken out, and we just have to put the new one in. And once again, we'll just be doing 2-inch PVC on this guy. There is a hose back here on the bottom left, which I'm going to have you kind of point down here a little bit. That runs for the condensation line for this guy, which runs out and is most likely plumbed into a branch line for the house. It's to prevent freezing, of course, in the winter. But that's kind of everything that we're looking at in here. It's kind of a tight squeeze. This is the only cold air return. The house is about 16-20 square feet, roughly. So that's it. Thank you.